Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Opal and Violet and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal. I'm Violet.
And I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. I'm Mommy. No, I'm Mommy. I'm Mommy.
And today we are going to be making
Banana pop.
banana pops. Alright, so I have cut up 4 bananas. Don't do that, please. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel those bananas and we're going to stick some popsicle sticks in them.
I want to peel it right now.
Alright, so let's peel them and we'll put some popsicle sticks in them.
I don't smile usually when I do this. Mommy, they're outside. We got them outside. Ow.
Alright.
Yeah, she means sticks at her backyard. She doesn't mean popsicle sticks.
I mean popsicle sticks.
She doesn't mean that.
Good
She
job.
means the sticks in her backyard.
Oops.
Good job.
Alright, so we're going to take a popsicle stick.
Hey,
and
there's
we're
a
gonna
banana
just
peel.
stick it right in there. Okay?
And then we have to warm it up, and then we're going to put some chocolate stuff on
And
it.
then we're going to... Alright, we're not going to stick it in that far. This one might not work now. We'll see. So let's keep going with that. Keep peeling. Okay, so start peeling your bananas and putting popsicle sticks in, please.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay. Yummy.
we've got bananas on sticks. So now we are going to measure out our coconut oil.
We're gonna.
And
But next, we're gonna suck our thumbs.
Opal and Violet both need to go wash their hands because they just put their hands in their mouths. Alright, now we've got our chocolate chips and we've got some coconut oil. We have 4 scoops that need to go into coconut oil. So that's two scoops per girl. So why don't you try to scoop out
That would be good.
a whole scoop.
Whole thing.
Alright, and then we need to level it off.
That
So
willow.
we're going to flip it over and we're going to squish it against the top here. And there's a good scoop. So we just got to get that into the bowl now.
Can I try?
Yeah, actually let's probably get a spoon. Yeah,
Bang!
banging didn't work, huh? So scoop it into there. There you go.
And then after that,
Yep, now it's Violet's turn to get a scoop of coconut oil. All right, that's a good scoop.
fine.
Nice job.
And then I'll give this to you, and then Mommy does one.
You could also use the back of that spoon to scoop it out.
Use the back of it.
Alright, I think Mommy might need to help, so I gotta figure out where to put Willow. Alright, we've got all our chocolate chips and our coconut oil put into here. So now we are going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then we'll check it and stir it, and 30 seconds again, and check it and stir it, etc., etc. Alright, Opal, it's been 30 seconds. Can you give it a little stir?
Whoa, big stir.
Yep, and it's not quite ready, so we're going to put it in for another 30 seconds after you're done stirring.
Yeah, and it smells like chocolate. I'm very excited to eat it.
Yeah.
It smells like chocolate chips.
All
We're gonna need
right.
to get all of them melted down.
Yep, or Violet's turn to stir this time.
Oh, does it feel good? Is it like a liquid? It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Feel. It's hot. It's not hot. It's warm.
All right, stir it around good.
Oh, it smells so good. Guys, this smells good. This is a liquid.
All right,
Finally liquid.
It's finally a liquid.
Violet's turn. Now we're just gonna take turns stirring and just doing it for fun.
So smooth.
It's so nice. It's
All right, so now we're gonna
guys.
dip our bananas. So find a banana.
Hey, I'm gonna find a banana. I'm gonna find this one.
All right, dip it.
Dip it.
And Mommy's gonna put a little above there. Good
Ooh,
job.
yum. This looks really yummy.
And then what we're gonna do is you're gonna hold it over this plate. I'm gonna pour some sprinkles over it. So can you hold it over the plate?
Should I quick do it?
Yeah. Good job. Now we're gonna hold it this way and we're gonna twist it as we pour sprinkles. Can you pour them on?
We need some more.
Looks great. All right, and then we'll put it on our sheet and then it's Violet's turn. All right, we're gonna scoop some on Violet's. All right.
Can I get another banana so you can do it again?
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job.
And now it's...
Oh! That's okay.
Oh, can I have some?
After we're done. All right. Now we're gonna do all the rest of them.
Smells like banana. Do it like... Smells like chocolate. Smell it. Smell the chocolate ones. Oh, wait, wait. Smell the banana ones. Smell the chocolate ones. Smell the chocolate ones. Oh, just put it on. Ready? I'm putting it up. Oh, what is it? Oh, that looks so yummy. Smell. Oh, you have to make it harden.
Oh no.
Can we eat that one anymore?
We'll have to try to fish it out. Oh boy.
Oh no. Guys, we have a banana stuck. Yay.
Sure, it'll still taste good.
Yeah, it's not wrong. It's not wrong.
All right, we're gonna do the rest of them.
Guys, look it. We mixed the whole thing. And now we're going to put this in the microwave so it can harden.
The microwave,
The microwave.
the freezer.
Oh, freezer. Come on.
So we gotta put it in the freezer for 30 minutes at least, and then we'll see how they are.
Guys, we're taking stuff from the plate. So yummy. Take so good. Carefully do the fat one.
Probably would be.
Can I just put my whole hand in it?
I guess.
Yay! Can I smack my face in it?
No. All right,
Can I try?
Violet's turn.
Guys. Look at Can you lick my...
You can lick them and then you need to go wash your hands. Oh boy.
I'm not going to be able to touch anything when I wash my hands. And I'm going to lick them on the way. Bye-bye.
It's banana pop time.
Let's candy.
All right, pick one, okay?
Okay. I would like to...
You just went right for it, huh? How is it?
Good. Yay! I have 2 banana pops.
There you go. You gonna take a bite?